Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a baby jackfruit pickle. In Sinhalese, we call this as polos acharua. So let's start with the ingredients first. So I have taken here a smaller size of tender baby jackfruit. I have cut it into medium cubes. So over here I have one large carrot cut into pieces like this. Then I have taken some shallots, we call it as red onions as well, and also some green chilies. So I have taken here nearly 1.5 tablespoons of mustard seed and I have soaked it in apple cider vinegar. And also we need another nearly 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. And also we need some sugar in this recipe. It will give a sweetness to the dish. And also we need some cinnamon sticks. I will take like 1 inch of cinnamon. And some chili powder. Salt is always to your taste. Some crushed pepper. And some turmeric powder. And over here I have taken some chopped garlic, some ginger, and also some garcinia. We will use this to boil the baby jackfruit. So I'm using a clay pot today to make this pickle. It's ideal to use a clay pot if you're using apple cider vinegar or any kind of vinegar. So let's put the baby jackfruit pieces into the pot first. So let's add some water. This is like a 1/4 cup of water to get the baby jackfruit boiled. So let's add around a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then we will add the garcinia. And let's mix it well and let's get this boiled. So I have kept it on the stove now. I will give it a good mix. So it's mixed well now. Let's close it with a lid and let's get this boiled up to 75%. So now let's start with making the paste for the pickle. I will add the garlic and the ginger on the grinder cup first. Then I'm adding some crushed pepper. You can add the crushed pepper according to the spiciness that you prefer. Then I will add some salt. Then I'm going to add the soaked mustard seeds with the apple cider vinegar into it. So I'm going to get this grind until it becomes a paste. So this is how the paste looks like after you finish grinding. Let's put it into a glass bowl. So as you can see now, the baby jackfruits are almost boiled. I will use a fork to check how far it is boiled. So the baby jackfruits are now ready. I will turn off the stove now. So I drained the excess water. Now I'm going to cut this into small pieces. I will show you how to cut it. You can cut this into any size of piece as you wish, but I prefer to cut it into small so it can absorb all the flavors. once I cut all the baby jackfruits, I add it into the glass bowl. So now we have all the ingredients ready. So let's get the other vegetables blanched. So I have added a clay pot on the stove, and I'm going to add apple cider vinegar into it first. So the vinegar is now heated well. I add some salt into it. Now I'm adding the carrot. We always get this blanch like 50%. Let's give it a good mix. So I have got this carrot cooked in vinegar for nearly half a minute. Now I'm going to move it aside. Now I'm going to add the red onions into the vinegar. Let's get also this blanch for nearly half a minute. Give it a good mix. So the onions are done now. Let's move it aside as well. Now I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar into the pot, and I will add some salt. Give it a good mix. Now let's add the green chilies. Let's get the green chilies also blanched in vinegar for 30 seconds. So the green chilies are done. I'm going to move it aside as well. So now we have the carrot, the onion, shallots and the green chilies ready. Now I'm going to add some turmeric powder and some salt into the vinegar. So give it a good mix. And now let's add the baby jackfruit pieces into it, and let's get it blanched as well in vinegar. So the baby jackfruit is done. Let's move it aside too. Now I have added some vinegar into the pot, and also I'm going to add the paste that we prepared earlier into the pot as well. So I'm going to add over here some chili powder. You can always add chili powder according to your wish. Also I will add the cinnamon sticks. So now I will give it a good mix. At this moment you can check for the taste of salt. If not enough, you can add more. Also I will add the sugar into the paste now. If you don't like it sweet, you can omit sugar, and also if you like it more sweet, you can add more. I'm using around 1 tablespoon of sugar. I also checked the salt one more time. Now I'm going to add the green chilies, shallots and the carrot first, and I will give it a good mix. So now I'm going to add the baby jackfruit pieces into the pickle and get it mixed as well with the paste. Give it a good mix. now my baby jackfruit pickle is ready. However, the pickle needs to mature at least 2 to 3 days before getting it served. And also I will give you some tips. Always make sure you use dry ingredients when you make the pickle. And also you can use a wooden or plastic spoon for mixing or serving. So I hope you will also try making this baby jackfruit pickle. So I will come up with another delicious recipe in my next video. Thank you for watching.